Hey, it's Noah here from Thrive. I'm going to give you an example of a good Loom video. So we create Loom videos so there's no ambiguity, so I know exactly what's going on. I can see it with my own eyes. Let's imagine you own this website, thrive.design. And on this website, there's a button that isn't working. So I'm going to just say, as an end user, what it should sound like. Hey, Noah, it's Jeff here. And when I go to my website and I scroll down here to this section, you can see that when I click the download now button, nothing's working. It isn't popping up. Please take a look at this. Thanks. Okay, so that's an example of a very simple, like 10-second video. And it would only take you about 20 seconds to create that video and send it in an email, which I'm sure is less time than it would take to write all those items out, put the URL of the page on it, etc. So let me know if that makes sense. Looking forward to receiving better Loom videos from all my clients on what the issues are on their website. Just say it saves me time, saves you money. Let's go from there. Thanks.